Welcome guys, today I am with Lenovo HT18 wireless earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can connect them with your iPhone. So at the first you have to go for the settings on your iPhone, tap on the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and next you have to open the case with your earbuds. Of course we have to remember to charge the case and earbuds inside at least to 50% before pairing, and then you can simply remove them from the case. So when they are in the pairing mode, one of them is blinking on the blue and the red, like in my case, and then they will pop on the available devices list. So we can just simply tap on them once, and after a few seconds you will be successfully connected. So as you can see, that was very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.